Hello there and welcome back to Living on an Island. Now look at this behind me. This is a very windy video. So by the way, if you're new to this channel, it's all about living on Guernsey, which is in the Channel Islands. If you want to know what it's like to live here and see all the different sights and all the wind and the conditions we get, remember to subscribe. Now in today's video, I'm on the west coast. We have like literally pretty much a storm going on. I've managed to shelter. I'm actually in, believe it or not, like these sheltered toilets on the coast. I'm actually at Grand Rock. I'm going to do a lot of footage. I'm going to go out and brave it. There's like wind and rain. So hopefully I'll get some footage. There's a dog barking, someone screaming, what's going on. Anyway, keep watching. So welcome along. I'm just driving along to get a bit of a better view. So remember, if you're new here, it's all about living in Guernsey. I've popped in my van. I'm driving along the coast because we can actually get a better view. I go to Cobo Bay and Grand Rock in this video. It is very windy, and actually looking back at the video, it doesn't do it justice. It is blowing really strong on the west coast here. So I've got some great footage. Sorry about the wind noise if there's a little bit when I'm talking, and the camera was very, very hard to keep still because of the wind gusting. But enjoy the video. This is basically a very, very stormy day in Guernsey on the west coast. Remember, if you like the stuff, subscribe. See you again next time. Thanks for watching. Click the screen to watch the next video and remember to subscribe. See you again next time.